Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to be bringing you this product review, the FlexiSpot desk, item number Q8D-T. This desk comes in different sizes, different tabletop colors, different leg and body colors, and I am just very impressed first and foremost with how well this item is packaged. So when you order the desk, you will get your desk in two boxes. This first larger box is basically the tabletop with the drawer already installed, with the electrical boxes already mounted, etc. So the hardest part is really getting it out of the box. In this second smaller box, you are going to get, again, very well packaged so that these heavy pieces don't break through the box. You're going to get a box that has both of the pedestal, what I call the feet of the desk, and then also the two very heavy legs that have the motors in them that allow the desk to be very, very adjustable. You're going to see at the end of this video how short the desk can get and also how tall. So once I've unboxed everything, you can check the instructions. Make sure you have everything, especially the screws that you're going to need, the Allen wrench, all of those things. Now this desktop obviously is upside down and the drawer is facing me. I've got the 2 feet and the 2 legs. So really all you have to do for putting your desk together is follow the very easy directions. You're going to mount the 2 legs where it says, and then add the pedestal feet. You're going to run 1 or 2 cords to the power supply. So here I'm showing you, I have the desk in my craft room. I have it down, not all the way, but to a comfortable height for sitting in my chair. You can sit at a computer, work at a computer with this. You can do any sorts of crafting, writing, whatever you'd like in a seated position. Now I'm going to show, if I decide, you know what, I would rather be standing right now to work on this project, I'm going to move my chair out of the way and I'm going to hit the up arrow to adjust the height of my desk to where I can craft comfortably standing up. I absolutely love this adjustable desk, and if you're in the market, give it a try. So as you can see, it's not very loud moving up and down. It gets to be about 48.8 inches down to about 23.7. Another really cool feature of this desk is the wireless charging pad. I'm trying to show you here that when I put my phone right on it, it is now charging my phone wirelessly. And this is through my case, and I also have an O-snap magnetic holder. And then I just want to show you again the keypad, the down and up buttons. You've got 4 presets, a USB charging port, and USB-C. Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments, and check out the discount code in the description of this video. Thanks so much. Bye.